So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished fixing a clogged drain here. It was all in the tailpiece here and in the trap. Nothing in the wall. That required drain cleaning equipment, which we don't have, but we got a great drain cleaner if you find the need for one. All we do here is drop the trap, clean that out, and then of course we got a tailpiece that came with a faucet, the gray plastic, and then a chrome extension below. Just cleaned all that out, all the debris that was in there, and got the trap back in there. We like to use pipe dope, and we put the nut back together, just helps seal it a little bit better. I'm not very fond of these old P-traps because they tend to leak, which is what it's doing right now. It's dripping a little bit. We'll tighten it down so we can get that to stop. But it is draining, so that was the what we were looking for. And we'll go ahead and get a wrench on that and see if we can get that, or put some more pipe dope on it in a minute. Outside of that, this installation is done. So still here in Clovis, and we are looking at the master bath right now. Same thing in this bathroom, just wanted to get the lines cleared out. The tailpiece was full, and then of course there's a repair coupling down here, no big deal. Trap's back in place. No water leaking, so that's good. You know, we may get back to the homeowner in a month or so and come back and just put in new tubular stuff, so there's no problems here. You know, we cut the whole assembly out back here, put in a tubular P-trap, tubular extension, tie into the plastic instead of that rubber Fernco band there. But anyways, for right now, everything looks good. There's no leaking out of here, and of course the sink is draining correctly. That was the whole point, get the sink to drain correctly. So that's just debris that builds up over a long period of time, and you get it cleaned out and you're good to go. Outside of that, this installation is done.